Good morning from the National STEM Learning Centre in York, and welcome to day 3 of STEM Clubs Week 2023. My name is Tim Bradbury and I work for STEM Learning as the STEM Community Manager. STEM Clubs Week is a festival of extracurricular STEM engagement that everyone can get involved with, whether in school, with your family or friends or through work. This year we're exploring AI, the world around you, where we explore how artificial intelligence and machine learning affects our daily lives, how it may impact the future, and what its limitations are and the ethics involved. Today's theme is something we all have an interest in, our health. We will be looking at the use of AI in health and how medical profession is using it as a tool alongside more familiar diagnostic support, such as MRI scanners or X-rays. Technology is developing AI to help diagnose life-changing conditions earlier and to suggest treatment for the patient. AI is already in our lives and it brings benefits and concerns. The more we know about it, the more we can direct AI to be a valuable tool in all our lives. We start the day with Andrew Burgess from Greenhouse Intelligence. We met Andrew on day 2 and he returns today with an introduction to AI in health. Andrew has been involved in research into AI diagnosing Parkinson's and cancer and shares with us developments of AI in the medical profession. Our second session of the day is a live webinar with Anna Studman from the Ada Lovelace Institute. Anna will talk to us about the future of AI in our health and where one day we might see robots helping patients. Our third item of the day is Dr. Jonathan Nash from the Kieran Medical Technologies, and he will explore the use of AI in breast screening. Our final session is Frank Sobachensky from the University of York. Frank will talk to us about health and transformers. No, not the movie versions, but the language model used with AI. Don't forget to hold your own debates and in-depth discussions about AI and challenge your own perceptions and those of people around you. Should we allow AI development to be unchecked or should it be monitored with codes of ethics? Let us know how you get on. Post comments, photos, videos, Twitter, copying in @STEM Clubs and #STEM Clubs Week. Tomorrow, we will explore the use of AI and machine learning in entertainment, so be sure to join us tomorrow. Here at STEM Learning, we have a wealth of opportunities for schools and students to explore both curricular and non-curricular STEM engagement. So I'm going to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about the all-new STEM community. We've had a huge facelift, delivering a new look to improve your experience on our community. The homepage now features a personalised newsfeed which will collate content from across all of the groups you're a member of, as well as those which are open to all members to view and join, and a number of other great features. Check out our latest video. So there you have it, the all-new STEM community. If you're already a member, why not log in now and explore the new look and feel? And if you're not already a member, then you can sign up on the website. Just go to community.stem.org.uk and click Join Us. And why not share your ideas and takeaways from STEM Clubs Week in the Careers, Clubs and Cross-Curricular group? Just click Groups and All Groups to find it. I hope you have a great STEM Clubs Week, and I'm looking forward to hearing all about it on the community.